I love smart home technology, but the one thing I don't like is the price sometimes.
Yes.
I've got a lot of these smart Wi-Fi plugs. Well, now I found something that kind of does the same thing, but a lot cheaper. This is the iSelector Wi-Fi smart plug. And what I like about this is that this comes in around 20 bucks.
Yeah, that's pretty cheap.
Which is kind of half the price of a lot of the other Wi-Fi smart plugs out there. So what I like about it too is that you don't need a hub. It's all Wi-Fi, and it'll still work with Google Assistant and Alexa.
Well, here's the thing that I like, that you don't have to stick with one smart home accessory. Like if you've got one Wemo plug, you don't have to get another one. You can mix and match these things a little bit. And what's most important is that you pick one that works, you know? So I think for 20 bucks, you take a chance, you know, and as long as Google or Alexa is turning on and off your lights with a voice command, you're good to go. The one thing I will say is that it only works on the 2.4 gig network. So if your router uses a 5 gigahertz network, then you're not going to be able to use this particular plug. But most networks actually give both off. So as long as you can connect to the 2.4, you'll be in good shape.
Again, it's the iSelector Wi-Fi plug. You can actually get a 2-pack of these things for around $40. So again, kind of 2 for the price of 1 really when you look at Wi-Fi smart plugs. You can get more information up at Amazon.com and select iSelector.